अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे SAS प्लेस होल्डर सेलेक्टर्स। प्लेस होल्डर इज another special kind of selector. It is used when you are writing your own SAS library. Its work is very similar to mixin without arguments. Placeholder selectors start within the percentage sign, modulo sign, syntax, modulo sign, name of selector, property, value, and so on. Placeholder selectors are excluded in the compilation of the SAS file. This defines the main functionality of it. See the use of the placeholder selector below. So the question is how to use it. To use the placeholder selector, we use extend at rule. Syntax extend, name of the selector, SAS file, button format, padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel, border radius 15 pixel, color black. Toolbar button, extend button, format, background color light pink, hover, background color RGB red green blue ranges put की गई हैं. Status bar button, extend button, format, background color light blue, hover, background color blue. Compiled CSS file, status bar button, toolbar button, padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel, border radius 15 pixel, color black. Toolbar button, background color light pink, toolbar button, hover, background color ranges put की गई हैं. Status bar button, background color light blue, status bar, hover, background color blue. Use of placeholder selector. Placeholder selector is excluded in the compilation of the SAS file. Therefore, it is used to create SAS library. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz everyone.